The first time I stepped inside the Cargill United Methodist Church here in Janesville was as a visitor for a 1 week mission experience called Youth Rock. The church was crazy loud, highly energized, and full of youthful exuberance. They ate together, worshiped together, and worked together. 7 days of doing mission, helping people throughout Rock County, and then returning to the church each evening. Years later, the summer of 2020 to be exact, I was appointed here as pastor. Let's just say it was a bit quieter when I arrived. No youth, no kids, no in-person worship, no singing. The work of the church continued, but in a quieter, more detached way. But this week, they're back. More than 60 youth and kids for Vacation Bible School. It's Adventure Island. There's been a lot of energy in here this week. It's a welcome return to laughter and storytelling, game playing and crafting, teaching, learning, and singing. It's all with a purpose, of course. We hope we ignited a spark or planted a seed that will feed these youth and children and their families in an age-appropriate way. But more than ever, it's a lesson in what community really looks like. Though some might describe it as organized chaos, it's a reminder that God's people come in all shapes and sizes, all ages and seasons of life, and all kinds of temperament. On the first night of Vacation Bible School, while the children ran around the church hall during registration, I was reminded of something I had forgotten while the church was quiet. You can draw up what a community looks like on paper in a nice, neat, orderly fashion. But when it comes to real life, it's unpredictable, it can be messy, it can be joyous, it can be difficult. Sometimes people play by the rules, sometimes they don't. But this week reminded me that's the kind of community Jesus sought to bring together. It's been a great week, and I look forward to many more. We'll see you next time.